English, SNS College of Technology. Today we are gathered here to discuss a DT, design thinking topic based on how engineers are having communication difficulties, and we are going to discuss the topic called as role of English communication in a software engineer's career. So what is the differences between having an language, or why English has been debated this much, or why English is brought as an topic for always a communication? Here it is like English is considered to be a business or a communicative language where people from all professions and all either areas, they prefer English as a communicative language. So why do we prefer, or why do we separate it like engineers English, or what is the meaning, or what are we trying to define here? So that is what is going to be discussed in the DT today by my students. So thank you all for gathering. I give it to you all.
Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic, the role of English communication in software engineers' career. So in today's digital world, software engineers interact with people from different countries. So English is the most common language used in the IT industry. We use English for interviews, documentation, meetings, emails and presentations. So most technical resources such as books, research papers and online tutorials are also available in English. So therefore, English plays a vital role in the software engineer's career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dharmesh from CSE department. English communication is very important in the workplace. Software engineers must clearly explain their ideas to team members, managers and clients. Effective communication helps in problem solving and teamwork. Writing emails, reports and project documents also requires English skills. Engineers with strong communication will often receive better career opportunities, promotions and leadership roles. Thus, the English communication directly supports career opportunities and professional success. Thank you.
So hello everyone, I am P. Bhavani Shankar from CSE department. So from students' perspective, it is necessary that they'll develop their communication skills in the first year itself. Reading books and watching videos in English and also recording their text and even write in English, all these helps them to improve their efficiency. This is important because when they are presenting or when they are in an interview or in any activity in their career, they need English communication skills very much. So it is therefore very much necessary for them to learn that. So I'd like to conclude that technical skills are necessary to get a job, but it is the English communication skills that make them a better person in their workplace. So a student must balance their communication skills along with their technical skills to be the best in their field. Thank you.
So as you people discussed here about what is the importance of English language or English language career that is set for an engineering student. But the reality is like communication is needed in every platforms, every careers, every way where you wish to grow. And communication is a basement for each and every person's improvements, growth, or if you want to set any career build up. So you have to have a good communications. And here you are saying, we are again and again discussing about the same things like how we are going to improve it. So as an English teacher, we used to say like we have to concentrate on LSRW as usual. So when you go to a workplace, you take certain topics like, as you said, we go for this email writings, reportings. So there we use this writing skills. And as you said, how I'm going to develop it more and more, how I'm going to be a person. Here, English is like, it is not accepted by everyone. Even we are in a scenario where we know that English is important, but still people are not ready to accept it. Even if you try to speak, people will be like, oh, why she is showing so much of things. So it is like that. But when it comes to your profession or an interview, or when it comes to a growth session, people will be identified with your communication only. And when you speak better English, you will be identified individually. So here what you have to do is, whatever the age and whatever the periods are they running over, you have to be very concentrated on your language skills that improves day by day. And you have to, as Bhavani said, that we can go with the reading skills. When we get into a profession, we don't have time to read books and all, but we have to make our own. we have to make some time for us. And also like he said, like we have to watch certain movies or some videos which helps us to grow. Even very recently I happened to watch so many videos which is connected with life, how you can improve your communication, and there are many platforms telling like we can learn English in certain hours, but we can hear or listen to that, whereas when we are using it in practice only it comes to an effective one. So here it is not only for engineering students, for everyone those who wish to groom up, the communication is the bestest way to showcase you as a perfect one. So thank you for making this DT video and making your own points here, and you had a well discussions. Thank you all.
Thank you.